Now here we have the line ABC. ABC. B is the point in between AC line. Your total length it is 180 mm. And AB jam BC, it is given 4 jam 6. So your total line, it is divided in number of 10 parts. So each part distance it is 18 mm. So my AB line become true length 72 mm. And the length of BC become 108. So friends, here we start the problem with considering the BC line. So first I draw the XY line. And I mark the point B on HPVP. So this is our point on HP on VP means the plan and elevation both are XY line. Now your point C, it is in first angle, and the line inclined to HPVP it is given. So first we draw the inclination. So the line inclined to HP 45 degree. And first angle means my elevation it is above XY. So I mark the 45 degree on upper direction. The top view of the C point it is below XY. And our line inclined to VP 30 degree. So I mark the 30 degree downward direction. So simply I create the inclination line. On both sides in HP and VP both the plane. Now we start the line inclined to HP. So what I do, first I mark the now the true length of line BC, it is 108 mm. So we take the 108 mm radius, center B dash, I draw the arc on 45 degree inclination line. This is my angle 45 degree with HP, and I got the B dash C1 dash. Now from this C1 dash you have the locus of C dash. To create the line parallel to XY, and it is your locus of C dash. Now I join the B dash C1 dash. It is represented the line inclined to HP as a elevation, front view plus true length. Now we know line inclined to HP, its top view always parallel to XY line. So my B dash point, its plan point B, it is on same place XY. So what I do, just we create the projection downward direction. From C1 on locus of B dash and B. Because my locus of B dash and locus of B, it is a common. So I mark the plan point C1. So your BC1, it is top view length. It is top view length. So now again understand, your line inclined to HP. Your elevation is B dash C1 dash. Its top view B C1. Similarly, you can draw the arc on plan. So I choose the B as a center. Arc on line inclined to VP. It is my C2 point. From C2 point, we have the locus of plan point C. Now similarly, you can join your B C2. It is the line inclined to VP 30 degree phi, and it is called as a top view plus true length 108 mm. My line inclined to VP, always my top view, it is inclination with true length BC2, but its elevation, it is parallel to XY line. So my B dash, it is here. So my C2 dash, it will appear on locus of P dash. I draw the vertical line on locus of B dash. And we got our elevation point C2 dash. Now you can join your B dash C2 dash on a same line. It is your front view length. Now finally, we rotate. So first we rotate our top view length BC1 toward the locus of C. There is an actual point, C point is here. So I rotate. I mark the actual plan point C, and I join the BC. It is our actual top view, the angle beta. Similarly, you can apply on front view length. So I take the B dash C2 dash radius, and we rotate the toward the locus of C dash, and this is your C dash point. Join your B dash C dash. It is your actual front view, and it is called as angle alpha. So now in entire projection of line, there is a two line it is going to rotate, either front view length, either top view length. If the front view length it is going to rotate, it is giving your elevation point. If your top view length it is going to rotate toward the locus of plan point, it is giving the plan point C. Now for other part of the line ABC, our BC it is completed. Now just I am going to extend the 72 mm. So first from just we extend the 72 mm our BC2 on opposite direction. So I got the A2 point. From this A2 point, I draw the locus of A. It is my locus of A point. Similarly, you can extend your true length, elevation true length, 72 mm. So you can get your A1 dash, and from this A1 dash you can draw the locus of A dash. Now for actual point, elevation and plan point, simply I extend my actual elevation up to the locus of A dash. I got the A dash point. Simply extend. Similarly, catch your top view BC and extend up to locus of A. You can get your plan point A point, and just you can do the end projector. But this is my plan point A2. Where is its elevation point? It is on same locus of B, because we are working with AB line. So what I do? Just we do the vertical projection from A1, A2 and A1 dash. This is your A2 dash, elevation of A2 point. Here we have the plan point A1. Now join your B dash A2 dash. It is a front view length, and AB1 it is your top view length. So I write the top view length here of line AB. This is my front view length. So total length of ABC, when you talk for front view, so you have to measure from A dash to C2 dash. And what is your top view length? From A1 to C1. So friends, this is entire problems ABC line, where your middle point, it is exactly on XY line, and your C point, it is in first quadrant, and A point, it is in third quadrant. So line, it is intersect between third quadrant, first quadrant, and one point exactly on XY line. So do the more practice and increase your confidence on projection of line. Yourself, you can start the exercise of the reference book. Thank you.